Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the term probability, which is very much familiar to you people, I guess. And with the help of this we will be starting exercise 3.4. Alright, so let us discuss about probability. Probability is the chance of occurrence. So probability means which something which can happen, right? What are the chances of happening something which you are not expecting? Suppose you have a coin. If you flip it, you don't know what is going to come. It may be head, it may be tail. The chances which we usually talk about is nothing but a probability. Okay, so probability is the chance of occurrence of an event. All right, it tells us about the likelihood of occurrence or non-occurrence of an event. So that means when you are flipping a coin, head may be there, tail may be there. So that is the probability of getting head and probability of getting tail. Head and tail, those are 50-50%. So that is nothing but a probability. So event that have many possibilities can have probability between 0 and 1. So you have played a Ludo, right? In a Ludo, which is of cube shape, it has got 6 sides, right? It has got 6 sides and it has got it has got 6 face, and in each face there are the number from 1 to ranging 1 to 6, isn't it? So when you throw a dice, any number can come in between. So the probability of getting any number will be 1 by 6. So out of 6, any one number be there. So let us say 2 by 6. That means out of 6 number, 2 may be the probable chance. Yes, 2 may be there, 2 may be the probability. So 2 can come, 3 can you can get 3, you can get 4. So the chances which we talk about is nothing but a probability which is there in your syllabus. Okay, now a basic example I have mentioned out here. What is the probability of favorable outcome by possible outcomes? All right, so tossing a head, what is the probability of getting head is half, 50-50. I have already told you. You have in a coin you have two face, that is head in the upper side, and if you flip it down you will be getting tail. If you are facing head tail at the head top of the position, then in the below there will be head. So when you flip this coin, the probability of getting or tossing head is half, that is 1 by 2. That means there are two face, and out of that the probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. So in this manner the probability is discussed about, the probability is dealt with. All right, next I have already gave you the example of the Ludo, which of probability of getting a 6, rolling a 6 is 1 by 6, isn't it? So this is the basic concept of which through which the probability is dealt. All right, taking the concept of this, now we will be doing or solving exercise 3.4 question number 1, which is in page number 76 of your maths NCERT book. So question number 1 state that tell whether the following is certain to happen. Okay, impossible, can happen but not certain. So let us see the question, then you will be able to understand. So the first question: you are older today than yesterday. Of course, this is certain to happen, as because if you are yesterday suppose 12 years 5 days, then of course tomorrow you will be 12 years 6 days. So one day it has got one day you are increased. Now your age has got increased. So the event which is going to happen here, which is actually happening, is certain to happen. That means it will happen, of course. Okay, whether you however you stop a lot, this thing is not going to get stopped, isn't it? So that's why here the right answer will be certain to happen. That means it will happen, as of course. So here it is certain to happen. So the probability of increasing your increasing your age becoming older is certain to happen. Okay, next, a tossed coin will land head. Can happen but not certain, isn't it? So I have already told you the probability of getting tail when you tossed a coin, when you flip a coin, maybe head, maybe tail. We are not confirmed, we are not sure until and unless you are a magician. So a tossed coin will land heads up is, it is, so you can write it can happen. Yes, it can happen, anything can happen, because in a coin you have two sides. Yes, you may get the head, but it can happen, but not certain. It's not fixed, isn't it? So you are not knowing the actual result, so you can only think, or you can only get a chance that yes, think a chance that yes, that may be, that may happen. All right. Okay, so here I am with question number 3. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. So when you know the die, I have already told you there are 6 faces in a die. So is it possible to get a die with 8 on its top? So you have to give, there are 3 reasons. Is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So the thing, the situation, the event which is taking place here, which they are talking about in the question is impossible. It is impossible. So I hope you know the reason why it is this impossible, because a dice, because a dice or die has only 6 faces on it, which start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, isn't it? So this is impossible to get 8 on its top. Alright, so I hope you have understood this. Heading forward, the next traffic light sign will be green. So the answer here will be it can happen. Yes, you may get a green in any certain period of time, but not sure, or what was there? It can happen but not certain, isn't it? So this will be the answer. Alright, the last one, which you can see here, that is question number 5. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Come on, guess it. This will be a home assignment. Alright, student. So I hope you understood the concept of the probability. Probability is nothing but a chance of happening or chance of occurring certain event. Probability of getting toss, when you toss, probability of getting tail, probability of getting head, probability of getting 2 in a die, probability of getting 1 in a die. All those are not fixed, that are by chance you are getting. So that is nothing but a probability. Alright, student, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you, everyone.